Did you study well at school? Here's our challenge today, and a lot of students make this mistake. 2 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 2. This is challenge you've ever seen, and a lot of students might be saying, okay, mister, this is challenge I've ever seen. Addition, division, addition. I learned this stuff in the 3rd grade, so that's fantastic. So right now, go ahead and pause the video, try to solve it by yourself. What do you think is the correct answer to this challenge? And let's check our answers here in just 1 minute, so it will be really interesting and great test for everyone to check our school knowledge, to check our algebra skills. So here's our challenge, and a lot of students solve this question like that. I want to write it as first interpretation. So right here we have 2 plus 2 divided by 2 and plus 2. So a lot of students say, okay, right here we have addition on the left side and we have the same addition on the right side. So right here, if we add 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4, and the next step right here, 2 plus 2 equal to 4 also, with this division in the middle. So we have 4 divided by 4 equal to 1, and we have this option. This is option A. Another part of students tells, okay, I learned something different, a different approach, and I wanted to solve it in another order, so something like that. So we have 2 plus 2 divided by 2 and plus 2. Let's separate this interpretation. And another part of students tells, okay, from left to right, what do we have right here? 2 plus 2 equal to 4, yeah, and we still have this expression, so 4 divided by 2 plus 2, so we still have this expression, yeah. Once more from left to right, so 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2, and we have 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. And this is our second interpretation. Another part of students tell that correct answer is 4. This is option B. And it turns into a big argument because a lot of students confused what is the correct order of operation to do this problem. This is first interpretation. This looks like a correct interpretation. Second interpretation, this is also like a correct interpretation. But we need to know that in terms of math, we need to know about a correct order of operation, because right here, this is our random solution. We solve these challenges absolutely randomly. So first interpretation, absolutely randomly. We just do whatever we want. Second interpretation, we just do whatever we want, but from left to right, but we don't care about mathematical operations. So in this third interpretation, I want you to look at this PEMDAS order of operations. So right now I'm going to show you this PEMDAS order of operations. So here's our challenge, and a lot of students need to know about this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to PEMDAS order of operation. So let's look at it. Let's look at this PEMDAS order of operation. So this PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom, so in a strict order from the top to the bottom. So it implied that we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses. Next we should evaluate exponents. Next we should evaluate multiplication division group. And the last step is addition and subtraction group. Okay, so here's our explanation about PEMDAS. So strict order, so it means higher position means higher priority. So whatever has the higher position means that this element had the higher priority. So let's scan what do we have in our challenge. We have addition, division, and once more addition. So we have only 2 elements from these all elements in PEMDAS order of operation. So we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, we don't have multiplication, we have division part right here, we don't have, yeah, we have addition right here, and we don't have subtraction. But before I told you that right here means higher position, higher priority. So division has the higher position than addition. So it implies that division is our first step. So we need to do all the thing with division signs, and second step is addition part. Okay, so let's look at it. So right here we have addition, division, addition. Division we have right here in the middle. So we apply this division only to these 2 values, 2 and 2. So let's do this. So what do we have? 2 plus 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. So we have 2 plus 1 and plus right here we have 2, which gives us 5. And really great moment right now, because as you can see we have 3 completely different solutions. We have 1, we have 4, we have 5, and what is the correct answer? A lot of students confused, about the correct answer. What is the correct answer to this challenge? And for example, let's look at this first interpretation. As I told before, we solve this challenge randomly. So first interpretation is absolutely randomly. We just do whatever we want right here. And if you look closely, addition and then division, this is a very huge mistake in terms of math, because division is all the time before addition. So this is a wrong solution, but with one really interesting moment. If you write brackets right here, then this is a correct solution, because then addition will have the higher position, a higher priority than division, because addition right now is inside parentheses, which is our first step. So then parentheses is our first step and has the highest priority. So with parentheses parentheses, this is a great solution. In our case, we don't have parentheses, so forget about this solution. This is very bad solution. With parentheses, okay. Without parentheses, forget about this solution. Let's look, for example, at this second interpretation. This is our second interpretation. As you can see right here, we just go from left to right, and we also don't care about order of operation. We just add, then divide, then add, which is really bad mistake in terms of order of operation, in terms of math in general, because right here we solve this challenge absolutely wrong. Addition, division, addition, this is a very bad mistake in terms of math, because we need to put brackets with parentheses. This is a great solution right here, because then we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses at first, and then 2 plus 2 equal to 4, then a correct answer, the correct approach, division, and the last step is addition without parentheses. So with parentheses right here in the beginning, this is a great solution, but in our case we don't have parentheses, so forget about this solution. This is very bad solution. Third approach, our last hope right here, because we reject both answers, A and B, and our last hope is a third interpretation. So right here we have 2 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 2, and obviously division right here we solved correctly, because we solved it at first, division 2 divided by 2, and the next step is addition. So this is a correct solution in terms of math, in terms of order of operation. You can also check this answer in your calculator, but don't use a regular calculator, because I give 100% that if you plug in this challenge in your regular calculator, your correct answer will be 4, because for example you plug in 2 plus 2 and your calculator gives you 4, because the calculator doesn't know what do you have further. And when you plug in the whole entire problem, for example, you plug in the whole problem, and then your calculator is smart enough to know about order of operation, then your calculator is, okay, I have addition, division, addition. I know the division first, then addition in a strict order from left to right. So our correct answer is C to this challenge. Definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of challenges on my YouTube channel, so I hope you will enjoy it. So thank you for your time, see you in the next videos, and have a great day.